Delaveaus, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in JA. Lies. I'm in France, and honestly, I can't tell you that it's a beautiful day today, but it's a beautiful day. I can't tell you it's a beautiful day because I haven't seen outside, and it's a beautiful day because I'm alive. Yeah. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Look up there. Say hi. Cuckoo. 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 Mwah. Mwah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Mama, it's pretty today. It's pretty and a little bit of cloud.
Yay! Yay! Say hi.
Sing with.
M-M-M-O-P L-M-N-O-P.
M-M-N-O-P.
Come closer, they can't see you. You guys, I am up. You guys know that I'm about to do school run with Tyler right now. Wagwan. It's the last day of the week. I am so tired from all the workout through the week. I am exhausted. My body is feeling it. Workout 5 days this week and I'm feeling it.
Mama?
Yes, Ty?
I feel like I'm going to have only A's.
You will have only A's because you'll focus and you'll read properly and you'll understand and you'll do what it asks you to do, right? Right?
Okay, Mama.
Yes. Sarah wants a cereal bar. You want a snack?
No, not
You want
that
a snack?
one. Not that one.
Snack?
Snack.
She loves saying snack. Snack. Snack.
Uh-oh, there's no more. Pretty good.
This one. Sarah loves snack. Why are you having snack so early in the morning, girl? Wait, but she don't like the chocolate in the middle and her biscuit that I bought finished. Here. She hates the chocolate in the middle. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged throughout the rest of today. Okay, look, she already started chocolating up our clothes.
Oh.
Anyway, you guys, babe already head out to work.
Excuse me, Mama.
What is it?
I want something to feed.
Okay, go ahead.
Faith, if you have a kid that's going in 1st grade, I could tell you the step that he to do. First, put on a mask. Then go to school. Then, last step, get on the A's. 3 steps.
Okay, that's the steps for 1st grade.
1, put on mask. 2, go to school. And 3, get on the A's.
Right, and by getting A's, what they need to do to get A's? What they have to do?
Focusing on getting everything right.
Okay.
And if you have a dictate,
Tell them what is dictate in English.
Dictate is something with words.
A list of words.
Yes, it's a list of words that we need to get one day. For example, like I do the test of dictate. I did it yesterday and I got 0 wrong. It's good. So if you have a day where you do dictate, fourth step for if you have addicted is get a 0 4.
0 4 mean get 0.
Wrong. And battery's dying.
Yes, the battery's gonna die. But that's okay. You finished talking to them?
You can talk.
Anyway, you guys, so there's Tyler laid down some ground rules for you guys. If you have kids going in grade 1 and if you're in grade 1, that's what you need to do to get full A's. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna put on the kids jacket and head out and come back and get my workout in. I'm not going to do too much this morning because my body is tired. So no. And juice. Sarah drinking her green juice. Everybody else already have theirs. Y'all know green juice is life around here. I need to come back and make me some turmeric tea because my tea finished yesterday. Mustache.
Mustache.
Alright. Okay.
What is mustache? Mustache.
Was yummy?
It's
yummy. Finish.
mustache.
Finish.
Mama, what's all that?
Chocolate.
Caca?
It's chocolate, it's not caca.
No, it's caca. Why is the caca put it in the bin? No, not in the cup, in the bin.
No? Alright, get down. Put on your jacket. Tell Fizz bye-bye.
Mama, you
Tell Fizz
didn't
bye-bye.
say your special thing when you say anyway you guys.
Yes, I did say that already. Anyway, you guys, I'm out. Look.
Bye.
Your bag don't sit properly. When you put on your bag, you have to check the strap if it set properly. Ready? All set for the last day?
Later. And I'm going to tell you back at the end of the day if I got 28.
Alright, let's go.
Mom,
Okay.
I'm back, but at the end, I'm just going to school.
Don't
The government tell you
speak
what
up
I
loudly.
learned.
You want to tell them what you learned at school yesterday?
Yes.
Okay.
I learned that there's a lot of animals in the sea.
Okay, you can pull down your mask. There is nobody here. Pull down your mask so they can hear you. Tell them.
There's a lot of animals that already died because there's a lot of people that are not doing the right thing. They're putting their plastic in the sea. Like that, there is some things that the animals think is what they eat because they look like that, but it's just plastic.
Okay. And what people supposed to do?
Put them in the correct bin, in the yellow bin.
What needs to go in the yellow bin?
Plastic.
What needs to go in the green bin?
Green.
Green, like bottles, right?
Yes.
And what's supposed to go in the other bin?
Blue bin.
Uh-huh.
Paper.
Very good.
You know that there's a whale that had to eat only plastic. Only plastic.
And what happened?
She died.
Oh no, that's not good, right? Workout was good. If you guys did not get to see because I didn't realize that I wasn't filming. But that's okay. You guys can just go over to my workout channel to see a lot of workouts there. The workout was good. I didn't do too much this morning because I am tired. So I just did like 30 minutes and stopped today. It's okay to have those days. Right now I'm making breakfast. Sarah is done for her nap because Sarah has been up early this morning. So I'm making a spinach omelette. In here I just have a handful of spinach. I check it out now and then I put the egg in. And there goes breakfast for today. All done. You guys, look at my face. You see my face? You see, I was telling you guys that I was tired. I took the chance to not do anything while Sarah was napping and take a 1 hour power nap. I couldn't tell the last time I nap in the day, but man, I had to take that nap just now. So I took that nap and I still feel like I want to go and nap again, but it helps. It's so worth it. Now I'm up just in time. I woke up like 10 minutes before Sarah lunchtime. So I woke up just in time for her lunch. And feeding her lunch, she's having pasta with tomato sauce and ham. But with Sarah, I cannot give her the ham or whatever meat I'm giving her to begin with. I have to give it to her last or in when she almost finished, because if she know that ham is in here, she's gonna eat all the ham and don't eat whatever else. But I told you guys, I don't know if I remember, I told you guys that I ordered her this bowl online, this bowl and plate that can stick on the table so she can't take it up and throw away the things, because she has shown tremendous signs that she wants to feed herself with her fork and her spoon. But at the moment I really can't really let her much, because she just take up the plate and throw it down if I don't hold it. But she loves feeding herself, and I can't wait for that set to reach. It should reach by next week. I can just see her feed herself, but she loves eating by herself. So I put some of the things on the table so she just pick them up and eat them by herself. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are not having a tired day like I am having. But if you're having that kind of day, which means that you've been productive in one area or another, whether it's self-care, where that is workout for me, or it's getting your chores done, or it's going out to your 9 to 5 or your 12-hour job, it means that you've been productive. So if you're tired, don't beat yourself up too much. You're just being productive, huh? Regardless of whatever productive means to you. So yeah, we're just here. And no, you guys, I'm not pregnant. Don't think I'm pregnant when I'm this tired. Because I know some of you might think, oh, well, you're tired. You're never tired. Before I go make lunch for myself, I am making a stash of tea for Babe and I. And I've been doing this since Babe had COVID. This Babe had coronavirus. I've been making this. So I make a big pot of it, about medium-sized pot. And I store it in the fridge until it finished, and I make a first batch. So in here I have this orange thing is turmeric, then I have garlic and ginger, and I'm gonna let this boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then when I turn it off I add some cut up lemons to it and leave it closed until I'm ready to store it in the fridge. Two of my most important ingredients I forget to put in there, so I had to come back. So I'm gonna add a little bit of healthy fat to it, and I'm gonna use coconut oil. So I'm just gonna use a small spoon and add a little bit of that to it. And turmeric have no use to you if you don't add black pepper to it. So I'm gonna add some black pepper in there. So when you're drinking this tea, it will be like you're drinking soup. Hi. You guys, I carry Sarah outside in the garden for some fresh air. Sarah love outside. She's just picking flowers. Come, don't go down.
So, yeah.
No, not in the mouth. Not in your mouth. The sun is hot and it's so windy. Don't Sarah? These little girls, they don't even pay me any attention since they're out here. That's how much Sarah love outside. You can see how the sun turned up in my face. I can't even look at you guys. She's just in her own little zone. Can you guys believe that next year this time I'm planning to send Sarah off to school? That's crazy. Crazy to even think of it. Let me enjoy these moments now. Right, princess? Right? Huh? I was telling you guys earlier when I was feeding Sarah, she's sleeping, so I'm trying not to talk too loud. I was telling you guys that I ordered Sarah some sticky plates and bowl, and I think they're here. I thought they would come next week. I think they're there and there. I'm excited. Spoon. And we get a spoon, and they're bamboo. The plates that I bought, they're bamboo. So it's a tiny dining. So that's the spoon. So if you guys have toddlers like myself that shows interest in feeding themselves but they won't keep the plate on the table, they throw them away, I suggest you order these. Oh my god, look, that's the bowl. So what you do is attach this to this. So there we go, it's on, and you stick it on the table and it won't move. So cute. All right, so it's been attached. So that's how it look under the bottom, and you just stuck that on the table and it stays there, and it comes with a spoon. Isn't this the cutest set ever? Oh my god, it is so cute. It is so cute. All right, my girl have her soup bowl and her porridge bowl. Talk to me, girl. And she have her food bowl, so we can take this off and wash it, and it's easy to come off. You can just pull it off like that. So I'm gonna wash them because she's gonna use them for dinner tonight. This is dinner for today: pizza and quiche. All right, you guys, there goes the kids' plate. 2 pizza, 1 quiche. 2 pizza, 2 quiche. Tyler, dinner is ready. And Sarah is ready. Can you tell?
Next time you sing with me. ABC, J, I, W, M, Q, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, So when we say ABC at the end. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. That's what I want to sing with me. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I,
Sarah, Sarah, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Yes, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Oh, she said E because I'm touching the E and my shirt. Who is this? Who is this? Look. Who is this? Who is this, Sarah? Sarah? No, leave it. Sarah, no. No. Leave her. That's okay, guys. Sarah, come here. She gonna break my camera. She was saying E because I was touching the E in the word on my shirt. You want to perform for the films?